Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy mutual funds on Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular investment platform that allows users to buy and sell a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, options, and exchange-traded funds. While Robinhood does not directly offer mutual funds, you can still invest in them through other channels. First, it is essential to understand what mutual funds are. Mutual funds are a type of investment vehicle that pools money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They offer a convenient way to gain exposure to a broad range of assets, and they are often managed by professional investment managers. To buy mutual funds, you will need to open an account with a brokerage firm that offers mutual fund trading. Since Robinhood does not offer mutual funds, you will need to look for alternative platforms such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard. These platforms offer a wide range of mutual funds from various fund families, and they often have low or no trading fees. Once you have opened an account, you can start by researching and selecting the mutual funds you want to invest in. You can browse through the available funds on the platform and filter them based on factors such as asset class, risk level, and performance. It is crucial to evaluate the fund's investment objectives, fees, and historical performance before making a decision. After selecting the mutual fund, you can place an order to buy it. You will need to specify the amount you want to invest, and you can choose from various order types, such as market orders or limit orders. Market orders will execute the trade at the current market price, while limit orders will execute the trade at a specified price or better. It is also important to consider the fees associated with buying mutual funds. Some mutual funds may have sales loads, management fees, or other expenses that can eat into your returns. Look for no-load or low-cost funds to minimize your expenses. In addition to buying mutual funds, it is essential to have a long-term investment strategy and to diversify your portfolio. Mutual funds can be a great way to gain exposure to a broad range of assets, but they should be part of a larger investment plan. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or conducting your own research to determine the best investment strategy for your needs and goals. In conclusion, while Robinhood does not offer mutual funds, you can still invest in them through other channels. By understanding what mutual funds are, researching and selecting the right funds, and considering the fees and expenses, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always prioritize diversification and to have a long-term investment strategy to help you navigate the markets and achieve success.